Hi, I'm Ross from London Grapple. I'm here at Joe, and today I'm going to show you how to finish the head and arm choke correctly. So, we're in side control, life's good. Underhook in the far side, here. My opponent's arm is under my chin, and I'm going to work to force this to the other side of my head. It's great that if he starts framing up on me, pushing into my face, I can use this lower hand to push on the back of the elbow and then lock it in with my head. So now, I need this bicep connected to the side of my opponent's neck. So the first thing you want to be doing, driving your head back and make sure this hand is walking deep in this direction. So now my bicep is connected to the right side of Joe's neck. From here, you can link your hands at this point if you want, doesn't matter. If not, we're controlling with our head and with this arm punching in that direction. It's not me squeezing on the hands that's achieving the control. From here, I lean my head up. This will give me the ability to bring my shin across the stomach so I can safely transition to this side of my opponent for the finish. Through the movement, I can link my hands and I step over. So watch the footwork. This shin stays over until this leg is totally over to the other side. My left leg hooks behind the back of the knee. Now I can safely extract this. Left knee comes next to my opponent's hip. Now from here, I don't like applying my head, and I'm actually having to take a bit of pressure off here because I can hear Joe breathing. You're right. So, we don't want to move forward. There's lots of mistakes you can make in a head and arm. If I start driving my weight forward and my elbow comes out of line of my ear and my head, I'm applying a neck crank. You stay in line with your opponent's neck, with your head, your elbow, your hand, everything in one line. Another problem people have is driving their shoulder down. That is not how I achieve the pressure to finish the choke. It's about me pulling this elbow in this direction. So in order to achieve that, I've actually got to keep my left shoulder very high up off the ground. I'm going to go palms connected and make 90 degrees with my arm here. Now, my left side of my body is not going to move. I'm going to kick my right leg backwards, dropping the right side only. Left side's all in, right side drops. There's the pressure for the finish. So one more live. Knee turns into the hip, elbow down, right leg comes back, and my right side lowers to the floor. And that's how we achieve the pressure to finish the choke. So that is my tips on finishing the head and arm choke from side control.